Hello and welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and the only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. It is Monday, November 30th. I am Tejal Hode. Our special news today is sponsored by Surat-based MRK Industries. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude futures displayed a mixed undertone last Friday. Brent crude prices gained as the EIA reported a decline in crude oil inventories in the US. WTI futures declined as new lockdowns globally went into effect, raising concerns over the demand outlook for oil. Brent futures climbed higher by 38 cents, settling at $48.18 per barrel, while WTI futures slipped by 18 cents, settling at $45.53 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Enda Insights, crude futures slipped by 1 to 1.5% as trade opened for a fresh week in Asia on the back of reports that an informal meeting of some OPEC non-OPEC ministers on Sunday had failed to find a full consensus among all members over extending the alliance's current 7.7 million barrels per day of production cuts from January. Last Friday, open spec naphtha prices remained steady at $396 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Last week, a sharp week-on-week rise in upstream crude and naphtha values pushed propylene prices sharply higher in Asia. Reports of persistent limited product avails and stronger regional demand trends, coupled with bullish downstream PP demand and pricing trends, further helped propylene sellers to raise their prices higher in Asia. Last week, ethylene prices surged across the Asian regions. The steep price rise was on the back of a week-on-week spike in upstream energy values and continued tight product availability owing to planned and unplanned cracker shutdowns in the region. Stronger regional buying sentiments coupled with bullish downstream PE demand and pricing trends further pressured prices higher in Asia. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On November 30th, 2020, LLDPE prices are higher by 15 RMB per metric ton at 7,985 RMB per metric ton. PP prices are stable at 8,731 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are steady at 7,585 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, ONGC Petro Additions Limited has undertaken an unplanned shutdown last week at its 360,000 metric ton per year HDPE LLDPE swing plant located at Dahej, Gujarat, India. The plant is expected to remain offline for about 1 to 2 weeks. Our special news today is sponsored by Surat-based MRK Industries. One of the largest sellers of packaging film in India, MRK Industries offer a full range of packaging films from 7 to 70 microns, which includes BOPP films, CPP films, metallized films, PET films. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Monday, November 30th. I am Tejal Hode. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.